Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we got a special unboxing. Something I kind of already opened for something else, but I know what it is. We'll kind of experience that together. And today I'm going to be opening it up with my Spyderco Shaman. That's what we're going to be opening up today. So let's take a look and see what we got. All right, today this is the CTS-XHP Special Blade Steel Edition that I got. Well, it's a special steel. It's not a limited edition, but a special steel from the Spyderco Shaman. This is the black micarta, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at that. This right here is from Rockscale Designs. So I was working with somebody else, but it seems like it's going to take a bit, and I really wanted to try something out over there. All right, make sure my information, yeah, it's down there, so we'll keep that private. We're going to be doing some titanium and critter scales right here. So let's see what we got going on here. Let's see what's in here. All right, so we have a bronze hardware and titanium backspacer. Typically, I would leave this on there because that's made out of HXP as well, steel. It's the same steel as the blade. But I thought, this one we're going to make it a little special. All right, so this is me going a little nutty. We are going to try a green anodized titanium scale. So what do you all think about that? All right, so there we go. We're going to be putting these on. It's going to make this a little bit thinner, a little bit lighter, I think, which I'm kind of digging. We'll see how that goes, okay? So that's that. This is the hardware here. I just want to show you what this is going to look like. I saw a couple of knives, another cool sticker for another giveaway, but I saw a couple of knives with the backspacer and this together, and I thought this might look kind of nice. I don't know. I think that's going to be a pretty kind of cool look. So we'll see. We'll see if it works. You may not like it. That's okay. As long as I like it, right? That's all that matters. Because it's my knife, right? You know, it's not your knife. If it was your knife, then you get what you want. It's your knife. You do what you want. All right. So, yeah, this is from OCD for EDC. And I'm going to put a CME on there. And I thought, why not a JG10? It matches the green. So there we go. I'll save that sticker for another giveaway. Got some cleaning towels on here. And then, of course, we're going to do a bronze clip to match that. So I thought, yeah, there we go. It's going to be fun. Okay. So in order to get to this, we're going to take this apart. So I'm going to probably speed this up as I do this, not talk too much. You've seen me do this 100 times. So let's take this apart. Oh, that's interesting. They put a little DLC right on where the T10 ball goes. That's a nice touch. And there is a cutaway, a little ramp. Nice touch. So is this liner? Oh, it is the same. Yeah, you use the liner over here. That's cool. All right, so we're only going to use one liner. Nice. That'll be some weight reduction. So you can see there's a D shape right there, and this does have a D pivot right there. So we want to put that in there. And I will, oh, before I do that, we want to put the washer on because the washer goes underneath. So what I'm looking for is the side that's smoother, right? And that's this side. So that's going to be the one that's facing up toward the knife. I'm going to put these on first. All right, so we're a little off center. So I'm going to try to move the phosphor bronze washers. All right, there we go. A relatively quick install, all things considered, right? I'm gonna put all the stuff away. So, bronze anodized backspacer hardware, bronze anodized Lynch deep pocket carry clip. I just found out today that Lynch is going to be coming out with milled titanium clips. Seriously, yeah, a little late, but that's all right. We can make it for it. So we may have to check that out, especially if they make it for the Shaman. So we'll do that. There's their backspacer. Now this is made out of CTS-XHP, the same steel. So that's what they do. If you didn't know that. I'm keeping all my stuff together here. I think, can this fit in there? I don't know if it can. Might be too big. It's too big. All right. Put my stuff away here. Trash. I know I shot a little piece of plastic off somewhere. I don't know where it went to, but oh well. We'll put some Loctite on later once we know we're all centered and good. I'll leave that on there, let it dry for a little bit. There we go. I think I'm going to dig these scales. I like the backspacer, so there we go. We'll do a little screen capture there. Got some plastic on there. Tape. There we go. All right, so there we are with the new Rockscale Design green anodized scales with the bronze anodized hardware and backspacer and bronze anodized Lynch D-pocket carry clip. I think this is pretty cool. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Here, I'll put it over here like this. At least I'll hold it like this so you can see it. All right. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps out the channel, allows the channel grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone who watches the videos, who likes the videos, who enjoys the content, who watches the live stream. Thank you to every one of you. Really, thank you. If you haven't already, maybe hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content. And finally, a big thank you to all the channel members out there. I sure appreciate you guys. You guys are so awesome. Thank you. If you've thought you'd like to become a channel member, I'd love to have you. There's a link down below in the description. 3 different tiers, would be honored. Please don't ever feel obligated to be a channel member, but know this, that I do 2 special things for channel members. Once a month, members giveaway, which is an exclusive giveaway. Very nice knife. Because you guys have been so generous with the memberships, I want to be generous back to you. And also, I give every new channel member a sticker, a channel member sticker. So email me with your name and address if you're a brand new channel member. I'd love to mail you a sticker. If you've already been a member for a while and you never asked me and you're a member right now, or you were a member, became a member again, and you're a member right now, email me also with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a sticker too. So thank you. Thank you to everyone out there. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.